Hi there, and welcome back to our Gallabox integration series. If you're using both HubSpot and Gallabox, connecting the two can really simplify how you manage your leads and conversations. With this integration, you can sync contacts with your HubSpot account, view resolved conversation logs, and get notified whenever you receive a message on your Gallabox account. Let's see how to integrate.
Go over to Integrations from left navigation. Scroll down to find the HubSpot integration from the list and click on it. Click on Connect. Enter the name for the integration and then click on Submit.
Once you submit, it will take you to connect your HubSpot account. Select your company's HubSpot account and click on Choose Account to connect the integration with Gallabox. Now that the integration is connected with Gallabox, you can sync contacts to HubSpot, update conversation history, and get notified when you receive a message in Gallabox. Enable the toggle for Sync Gallabox contacts to HubSpot to automatically create a contact in HubSpot when a new customer starts a conversation in Gallabox. To access WhatsApp conversation logs in your HubSpot account, simply activate the Log Resolved Conversations toggle. Once a WhatsApp conversation is marked as resolved in Gallabox, the conversation logs will appear as a note within the contact's activity timeline. To receive the incoming WhatsApp message notification to your HubSpot account, you need to enable the toggle for Notify on Incoming Message, choose the channel or channels, and update the configuration. After that, a custom field will be created in your HubSpot account, and you use that field as a trigger in the HubSpot workflow. Let's see how to create the workflow. In your HubSpot, navigate to Automations. Choose Workflows from the options. Click on Create Workflow and select Start from Scratch. Choose Contact-Based as the workflow type. Set the trigger to initiate when the specified filter criteria are met. For the conditions, choose Contact Properties. Select the last WhatsApp incoming message field and establish the condition as is known. Let's create the action. Add another step in the workflow. Choose Communication as choose the recipients. In this video, we have taken the recipient as contact owner. Choose the notification type after. We have taken the option for desktop notifications. For the subject line, enter the text New WhatsApp message from contact.firstname. Make sure to enclose the variable contact.firstname within double curly brackets and no space between first and name. For the body, enter the variable contact.last_WhatsApp_incoming_message, and make sure to enclose it within double curly brackets. Save the workflow to review and publish it. Review the created workflow. If you would like to change the settings, you can do it here. If everything is good, turn on the workflow. And that is how easy it is to integrate HubSpot with Gallabox. Now you have got everything you need to turn leads into loyal customers, right from WhatsApp. Happy integrating! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on growing your business with Gallabox.